good. Are you interested in a little adrenaline adventure in the picturesque White Mountains of New Hampshire? Well, we certainly were, and that's how we stumbled upon White Mountain ATV rental in the town of Gorham. While we definitely enjoy the more leisurely exploration options like hiking and biking, sometimes it's nice to have a little horsepower beneath our feet. We signed up for a half-day UTV rental on our recent autumn road trip. The half-day booking granted us 4 hours of uninterrupted fun through Jericho Mountain State Park. One thing I loved about this rental was that it was not a tour. We were handed a map and free to roam however we pleased. They do, of course, offer tours, but we were a bit more excited to pave our own path. And by that I mean get lost a time or two and eat some dust along the way.
Yeah, it is Beaver's Butt, so that one.
Fortunately for us, and for the rental company, each vehicle was tracked by GPS. So if we really ran the thing into the ground, help and a steep bill would be on the way in a matter of minutes. I'm pleased to say we did not need the assistance at any point. In fact, between the amazing build of the vehicle itself, let's pause so you can get a quick glance, and the map they provided us, we felt confident and quite safe in our off-road escapade. And for a girl who loves organization, I cannot give enough kudos to this rental company for providing ample signage on the trails coordinated perfectly to the detail of our portable map. As if the fall foliage wasn't enough of a selling point, the company highlighted 5 or 6 recommended spots to check out, including up-close views of wind turbines atop the rainbow-colored mountain range, and a serene lake that fulfilled every expectation of this self-appointed photography nerd. Their recommendation for a great lunch spot along the way could have been skipped, but nothing fuels the soul quite like a warm chocolate chip cookie. According to their website, White Mountain ATV rental has been in business for 27 years, and it was clear that they care about their customers' experience. We booked the rental hoping to catch a glimpse of the local wildlife.
I've seen no wildlife, not even a chipmunk.
But were instead pleasantly surprised to discover everything else the area had to offer thanks to the format of this self-guided tour. 4 hours flew by faster than we could have imagined. Have you visited the White Mountain region, or do you have a suggestion for another action-packed adventure we could pursue? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.